everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. We appreciate it. I'm Emily Leonard. Another manufacturer is setting up shop in Lowndes County. DRC Industries is expanding its operations in Columbus, bringing 50 new jobs. The company makes industrial packaging products, cornerboard, paper tubes, chipboard, and sheeting used to protect goods during storage and shipping. They're going to be expanding at their existing Columbus facility, citing access to port, truck and rail transportation as key reasons for this location. Some good news there. Good news here, TVA is also investing in our community colleges. The Tennessee Valley Authority recently donated $50,000 to Northeast Mississippi Community College through a TVA Connected grant. See, Connected? See what they did there? This will allow Northeast to replace some critical network infrastructure across campus that supports classroom instruction, healthcare simulation, cybersecurity, robotics, engineering, and workforce training. Quick reminder for everyone tonight, while you still have time, get out there, go lock your car doors. I know, it's so easy to forget, but several cars in New Albany have been burglarized. Every single one of them unlocked overnight. Police Chief Chris Robertson says even in a place like New Albany, things happen and people need to protect themselves. He says it is so important to get your valuables out of plain sight, hide them away, take them inside. Also, watch for anything suspicious in your neighborhood. And if you do see something, please call law enforcement. Thank you, everyone, for joining us for Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great night.